everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Pasitana
and my name is Renele,
and yet we are back again with another financial literacy video. So thank you so much for all of you who have been subscribing, liking our videos, sharing, commenting and engaging on our content. We really appreciate you. You make us who we are. So yeah,
so let's get into this week's topic. So we just want to talk about how to calculate your individual tax. We know most of us depend only on a payslip that we get at work, and then we say, okay, this is how much tax I'm paying. But are we really sure that is the right amount we pay? And take into consideration that the end of financial year for Sars was end of February, and July will be starting to file for Sars. This is the time to calculate to see if you are paying the right amount of tax. Is it higher or is it lower? Because sometimes you wonder, why am I always owing tax? It might be because we're paying less of tax. So we're gonna show you how to calculate. We'll put a spreadsheet and everything and show you how to calculate for your individual tax. Please bear in mind, this thing differs. Like that 100 rand that you earn more than your friend, it makes a lot of difference from your
paying each other's tax. And we know that from depending on the company you work from, you can ask for a pro forma pay slip and see, okay, this are my deductions, especially if you are new in the job. They've made an offer to say we are going to pay you 20k, and then you say, can I have a pro forma pay slip? So you can say, okay, from 20k I'll be paying medical this much, tax is this much, pension fund is this much, and you can see, okay, for tax they are saying I'm going to pay this much, but for my calculation I'm getting this much. Is it the same? Is it less? Is this company dodgy? They are dodging Sars, or what is happening? So you can easily be able to calculate and compare your
calculations with the offer that you're getting and that pro forma payslip that you'll be getting. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. We'll be showing you a screen for the Excel spreadsheet where we'll be doing calculation, and we'll talk you through it. So stay tuned. So for you to be able to calculate your tax, you're gonna need this information from Sars. This is where each and every bracket is stipulated per annum. So if you're earning 300,000 per annum, that is 25,000 per month. So it means you're in the second bracket between 226,001 to 353,100. That's the bracket you are in, and that's what you're gonna use to calculate your tax. How you calculate which bracket you fall in, you take your monthly gross income, you times it by 12, you get your annum income. Then that's when you can see which bracket do you fall under. So for this example, we're gonna use the second bracket, because the first one is really simply done. It's just 18% of your income, so you don't pay anything extra. But with the remaining ones, then that's when it starts to get tricky. Then you pay things extra. So we're gonna open an Excel spreadsheet, and as I said, we're gonna use the second bracket between this and that. So if you earn, let's take it for 25,000. We earn 25,000 per month, and then you take that 25,000, you times it by 12. So you take this, then you times it by 12. That is your yearly income. From that yearly income, when we take a look at our picture, it tells us that you're gonna pay tax of 40,608 plus 26% of taxable income above 226,000. So it means that from your yearly income, you're gonna minus 40,680. You minus this. That's the first tax you're gonna pay. So it's going to be equals to this minus the first one that you will be paying. Then you are left with 525,900. I'm sounding like Zuma now. Okay, you are left with 259,320. And then it further says that Further to that, you will be paying 26% of taxable income above 226,000. What it means is that from this amount that you've gotten, you have to minus 226,000 from that. So it means that it's going to be equals to this amount minus your 226,000. Then that's the amount you get. The amount you get, you multiply it by 26%. So you take this, then you multiply by 26%. Where's my percentage? By 26%. That's the amount you get. So it means that for your tax, it's going to be this amount. Let's highlight it in yellow. Plus this amount, let's also highlight it in yellow. That's the tax you will be paying from your income. So it means it's equals to this plus this amount. Plus that amount. Then that is your yearly tax that you will be paying. And from that, you can divide this by 12 to see each month how much tax you will be paying. So you divide this by 12. Oh, sorry, I used the wrong symbol. So you divide this, your overall tax, you divide it by 12. That is the amount of tax that you'll be paying. We'll highlight it in blue. So that's basically how you calculate your tax. It's very, very easy, but it can be very tricky if you don't understand these numbers and all things. So what you do, let me put the labels here. This is your monthly income. This is your monthly income. This is your yearly income, your annual income, which you have multiplied it by 12 from your monthly income. And then this is the tax from the bracket that they tell us about from this picture, the 40,680. And then this is the amount remaining from your annual income minus that fixed tax. You minus this, then you minus the 226,000 that they're saying that you're not gonna pay tax from it. That's essentially what they say, if I'm correct. But you minus that 226,000 from the 259,320, then you are left with 33,320. From this amount, that's when you multiply it by 26%, this amount. And then after you get this amount, you add these values. These are your taxes that you'll be paying, the two yellow values that I've highlighted in yellow. Then it gives you that is your yearly income tax that you will be paying. The blue that I've highlighted in blue is this divided by 12, and it gives you your monthly tax. So if you are earning your basic salary, your gross salary is 25,000 every month, then it means that you will be paying 4,111.93 for your income tax. Please bear in mind that you cannot just go to that spreadsheet and just filter in your pay. For instance, if it's let me say you're earning 26,000 or whatever, you need to really look at if it's 26,000 and you multiply it by 12, does it still fall within the same bracket that we had just used now? If it falls to the next bracket, then that 40,680 must be replaced by the 73,726, and the 26% must be replaced by 31%. The 226,000 must be replaced by the 353,100. So you really need to be careful when you are calculating your tax and make sure that you use the right bracket.
use this to check if you are paying the right amount of tax. Check it with your pay slip and check if you are paying the right amount of tax. We really hope this was helpful. Thank you. So yeah guys, that was the video to show you how to calculate your tax depending on the income that you get. I think by now you can easily say I can calculate. With hope it was simple enough so that you can be able to calculate, because we know a lot of people that have been struggling to do this. So we are hopeful that we are able to help you guys. So if you did like this content, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share it, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button,
and we'll see you next time.
Bye.